from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a quilted braid. You'll need lots of strips. It's fun. Remember, if you like my video, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. To make a patchwork braid, you're going to want, I cut these from 2.5-inch strips using the Essential Triangle ruler. So this ruler here. You could also take a 3-inch square, cut it on the diagonal once and get this shape. And then I have here lots of different 1.5 by 5.5-inch strips that I'm going to use to make my braid. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take a triangle. We're going to take one of our strips. We're going to put this right sides together and we're going to sew on that diagonal edge. Make sure this is lined up and sew along here. Once we get that sewn, we're going to set that seam, flip this open, and press. Then we're going to choose another strip, line that up along the edge there. So it lines up here and along here, and we're going to sew along here. And once again, we'll set that seam and press it open. It'll look like this. We're going to grab another strip. We're going to put it right sides together along that first side. We're going to stitch along here. Then you're going to just continue this process back and forth on either side until you get your braid as long as you want it. And your braid's going to look like this. You can choose to put half square triangles at the edge to straighten up that, or you can trim it up this way. Then you're also going to straighten up the bottom edge and the sides. So line up the line of your ruler along that bottom edge you just straightened up. And you can flip it and do it the other way, lining up that straight edge. That will give you your braid. So when you get them, then you can rinse and repeat and make more sets. You can make them zigzag back and forth against each other. You can have it so this goes this way and this goes this way. You can add a background fabric in between. So just play with it. It's lots of fun. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.